One silent vitamin deficiency after age 60 is quietly weakening your bones, draining your energy, and increasing your risk of serious illness, without you even realizing it. I see this almost every day in my clinic. Patients over 60 come in with fatigue, muscle weakness, bone pain, even frequent falls. And when we test them, the same problem shows up again and again: low vitamin D. And the scary part is, most people have no idea they're deficient. Let me explain this in the simplest way possible. Vitamin D is not just a vitamin, it actually acts like a hormone in your body. It helps your body absorb calcium, keeps your bones strong, supports your immune system, and even plays a role in mood and brain health. Now here's the problem. As you age, your skin becomes less efficient at making vitamin D from sunlight. Your kidneys also become less active in converting it into its usable form. So even if you're eating well, even if you go outside sometimes, you can still be deficient. And according to the National Institutes of Health and Harvard Health Publishing, vitamin D deficiency is extremely common in older adults, especially after 60. Now here's where it gets serious. Low vitamin D doesn't just make you feel tired, it increases your risk of osteoporosis, which means weaker bones, and higher risk of fractures. The Mayo Clinic reports that low vitamin D is strongly linked to falls in older adults, and falls are one of the leading causes of injury after 60. But that's not all. Emerging research shows low vitamin D may also affect your immune system, making you more vulnerable to infections, and some studies even link it to mood changes, including depression. Now you might be thinking, "Doctor, how would I know if I'm low?" Here's the tricky part. Most people don't have obvious symptoms, but subtle signs can include feeling unusually tired, muscle weakness, bone discomfort, or getting sick more often. And many people simply ignore these signs, thinking it's just aging. So what can you actually do about this? First, get tested. A simple blood test called 25-hydroxyvitamin D can tell you your levels accurately. This is recommended by many clinical guidelines, including the Endocrine Society, especially for older adults. Second, safe sunlight exposure helps. About 10 to 20 minutes, a few times a week, on your arms and face, can make a difference depending on your skin type and location. Third, include vitamin D-rich foods, fatty fish like salmon, fortified milk or cereals, and egg yolks. But here's the honest truth. Food alone is often not enough after 60. That's why, in many cases, doctors recommend vitamin D supplements. But the dose matters. Too little won't help, too much can be harmful. So never guess, always consult your doctor before starting supplements. So remember this, if you're over 60, vitamin D deficiency is not rare, it's common and often ignored. But the good news is, it's easy to detect and simple to correct. When done properly, take it seriously now, so you can stay strong, active, and independent later. If you found this helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more doctor-backed health insights, because small knowledge today can prevent big problems tomorrow. See you in next video.